Well, hey everyone, Catherine and Erica here from Catherine Pooler Designs, and I want you to Lasso Life.
Yes!
Our new Lasso Life collection is coming, and today we're going to share the amazing products in the These Boots bundle. It's so great.
So, Catherine.
Yes?
You're from upstate New York.
Yeah.
Probably not a country girl.
No, I
But
like the city.
This Western revival trend is just
Yes.
too cute to pass up. And who doesn't love cute boots, gorgeous flowers, fun hats?
I know.
Who doesn't love that?
And
Lucky
country
Horseshoes.
music is really hot. You know what I'm saying?
It is.
I don't think when I was a teenager or a young adult, any of my friends liked country music. And now most of my friends are into country music.
We do live in North Carolina, though, as well.
I don't know if it's a North Carolina thing, but I don't know. You guys tell me. Leave a note in the comments below and let me know, is country music really popular in your neck of the woods, or is it a little bit more southern? I don't know. I think it's more mainstream genre now.
I think even like around the globe, people are getting into it.
Yeah, so let's celebrate with the Lasso Life collection and take a look at these boots. So These Boots bundle kicks off with the These Boots stamp set.
It's so fun. We've got these two sentiments: kick up your heels and you're cute, and kind to boot. I mean,
How fun.
so sweet. Such fun cards to send to encourage somebody or just to say hello.
I love how we did the butterflies, the flowers, and these little flowers here on the boots, and then we pulled them out and made additional images with them.
We love putting those filler stamps in there to give you lots and lots of options. And like you've got the little center that goes in the flower, or you could put that in the center. There's a lot of little building pieces there.
Oh, so fun. And then we have the Calico Charm patterned paper. So we have this fabulous pebble print. We have apricot and polished. We have our new glacier.
Ooh, that ticking stripe. Show that close.
Oh yeah.
Look at that ticking stripe.
It's so gorgeous. This adorable glacier print with these little flowers.
Just a really, really funky print. Kind of like little hearts on it, and it is super cute. It's got that chevron vibe. A little subtle, succulent polka dot.
Ooh, look at these three. We got
Those
apricot,
florals.
and then we have this great floral. So the color combo here is apricot, polished, goldenrod, succulent, which is our new ink, stone blue, glacier is our other new ink, sparkling berry, pebble, and not in the color combo of the paper, but you're definitely gonna need cashmere as well. This is a brand new ink color, and it is Chef's Kiss, because these boots, see what I did there?
Yeah.
Stamped in cashmere is perfection.
So next up we have the Dusk Till Dawn cover plate die. This one is so fun, and it's kind of like your sunrise, sunset, but it adds beautiful texture to your card base. You can cut this out of pattern paper or do direct to paper technique, or even some ink blending on there, make like a sunrise, sunset vibe.
I love the cuts that we did,
Yeah.
and then the stitched border there. And
You can even cut it and use half of it on your card.
absolutely.
That
And
looks
here,
fantastic.
oh, thank you. I made this
Oh,
one.
gorgeous, Catherine.
And like I was trying to say earlier, we pulled the images from the boots, and then they are perfect adornments for your cards.
Lots of feminine touches in here, and a lot of things that are, you know, give you that kind of country southwestern vibe, but also with that trendy vibe, modern and fresh and fun.
Very updated. I like fresh and fun.
And these Calico charm prints are so pretty.
I love this one with the scattered flowers. And oh, here is a simple one with the cover plate die and just a simple strip of pattern paper across and a sentiment. Sprinkle a couple of sequins on there, and you have a beautiful, clean and simple and elegant card.
So speaking of sequins.
Hello.
Yeah. We've got the Greensboro mix. And we named this Greensboro because that's in North Carolina. Found out that the Wrangler factory is based out of Greensboro, North Carolina. How
Love
fun
it.
is that?
Love
and
it.
this has kind of like your blue jean, blue undertones with your pops of your apricot and your sparkling berry to give it a little twist.
So I have two cards here that sneak a product that we're not sharing today, but coming up in one of our bundles is the fringe die, And it's going to add that extra something something to your cards, and it goes perfectly with everything in this collection.
Girlfriend, those are fringe-tastic.
And speaking of fringe frenzy, we're gonna have a fringe frenzy with our Stamp Nation members. So our quarterly class is upcoming. We're gonna share a bootload of ideas using the fringe die.
Girl, you're so punny. So we would be remiss if we didn't tell you about our release week freebie. We have the Lucky Blooms stamp set, this little 3x4 line art stamp. How sweet is this horseshoe with the flowers on it? Absolutely adorable. You got an extra little flower and a little leaf here and a lucky to have you sentiment. All you have to do is put $50 worth of goodies in your cart, and then you can add this with the code YEEHAW and get it for free.
Ooh.
And make gorgeous cards like this. Make sure you add the dies. So the dies are available to purchase. They have these gorgeous medallion dies in there.
Right.
You got inks, you got stamps. You're ready to go.
Bada boom.
Now let's make a card.
Yes, let's do it. Erica had some ideas for me that I am loving, so let's go. She wants me to use this. Am I right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna use half. So let's just cut it right down the middle. I'm gonna use the top like so. I'm gonna put this on the card here.
You're gonna party till the sun rises.
And then this is 3 1/4 inches. So let's cut it a little bit bigger, 3 1/2, and by 4 1/4.
Do you know what we used to do back in the day that I haven't seen in a while?
What's that?
Like put one of those pieces flush and the other one popped up. Do you know what I'm talking about?
So yeah, this glued straight on and this up with,
Yeah, or vice versa.
yep, let's do it.
It adds nice texture.
You know, one of the keys to polished handmade cards is texture, its dimension, things like that. So you're right. So let's just glue this piece on. And what is this cover plate called again?
It is called Dusk Till Dawn. You guys, I love, if you are new with us, do say hello in the comments. Let us know how you found us. Happy to have you here. I love that in our paper packs, all of the prints and the patterns, they really mix and match beautifully. So you can do pattern mixing with confidence. We've created a color combo that's gorgeous for you. All you gotta do is grab those ink colors, grab some paper, and go to town with your bundle, and you're gonna be making gorgeous projects. You can scrapbook, you can make gifts for people, you can make cards like we do. Whatever floats your paper crafting boat.
I love it. I have an issue.
Uh-oh, what is it?
So this is cut too large,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna have to trim it down.
You went bananas with your foam tape.
It's not that big of an issue. It's just a small issue. Nothing a pair of good scissors can't solve.
I love it.
There. Ta-da! Now we're gonna have to save this for something
Yeah.
else, guys. We'll put that off to the side and save it. And then we have the little strip of green. I'm loving this card already. That is the perfect canvas for some cute images, and there are so many things I can do here. Let's get some boots.
Which boot is your favorite, guys? Gotta know. We have the kind of floral, it's almost like a sunflowery kind of vibe. There is the one that has small flowers, and I want to say those lines give me kind of flame feel.
Well, you know what? They're basically exactly like my cowboy boots.
Oh.
I do have a pair. Did you see them in the graphics?
Yeah, these are.
I mean, you did.
We'll call them
For
fuegos.
sure.
Fuegos, florals,
Fuegos.
or butterflies. I really, really like the little flower boots. I think they're my favorite. And our illustrator put lots of different little details on them. They have slightly different shapes and widths. These are the wide calf boots for me, because I have wide calves. It's the bane of existence.
Oh, no.
It's really hard to find boots like this sometimes.
Well, my boots are really narrow right at the... Where's the part on your foot? Like if this was my foot and these were my toes here.
Yeah.
Right in here.
Oh.
And so they're tight. So...
Not super comfortable then.
Little Miss Eva likes to confiscate them, and they have been at her apartment for since the beginning of her freshman year. So I had to call them home.
Oh, yeah. My sister got cowgirl boots for Christmas this year, and apparently the brand was Posh, but I didn't know anything about it.
I got mine in Utah.
Oh.
All right, so then we die cut these, and actually I have some already cut out that I think I'm going to use. I have a hat in cashmere. I have a butter. I have all of these things already die cut, guys. Look at these.
I do
so
love that.
So
the
cute.
macchiato boot, though, I'm not gonna lie.
I love the macchiato boot too.
Should we cut that out?
Sure. You
Let me
go ahead and
that
cut
out.
those out.
I need a bit more tape.
Yeah, I'm digging the macchiato too. I don't know. Although, I'm really liking this sparkling berry one on there. You know, we really can't go wrong though. And I love the star spur. Ha!
While I cut these out,
Adorable.
what are you going to do about the sentiment?
I'm thinking about it. Okay, so I have these already stamped out, and I think this will be fun. So how about this here? Oh, thank you, thank you. There we
I'm
go.
like, does that need to go on there or not?
Let's see. I like that. So I'm gonna grab some foam tape. Now this is on foam tape. This is flat to the card. So I want these to lay flat. So foam tape them on the top, and they'll just be adhered on the bottom.
So this is your dots and scallops set that you just pulled that little square out of. If you don't have them, scallops and dots, ruffles and dashes, there's must haves. Great layering pieces in there. And that fit perfect in there, Catherine.
It sure did.
That looks great.
And I think, let me put this here first.
Oh, and the heels are kicking. One of them should be kicking.
Yes. I also think a circle sentiment would be really great too.
Cute.
And should we do the boot or the hat on the head of the boot?
What about a flower?
Flower. It's too big.
What about that little pink and brown one?
That's cute. Little foam dot. Pop that up on the boot. Get some dimension. There you go. Ta-da!
I mean, that card is a rootin' tootin' good time.
It sure is. So our Lasso Life collection will be in the shop on February 5th. But if you're a Stamp Nation member, you get to shop early on February 4th. Our 3 new inks are coming your way. And we also have videos sharing the rest of the collection coming to YouTube here in the next couple days.
And you still have time to join to Stamp Nation. You can just go to shop.catherinepuller.com, look across the top and click on the Stamp Nation drop down, and you can find out all about our membership site and why you want to join.
Yes, and our next quarterly class is coming up soon, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Don't forget the freebie with a $50 purchase, and thanks for being here today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you again really soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.